Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Honda Passport EXL in gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com. Stock number D6866.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.